Is there a difference between succulents planted in pots and succulents planted directly on soil? So let's find out. This is a mother of thousands. As you can see, it's planted in pot and it's very compact. It looks nice. The leaves are rounded. It looks nice. Actually, this is the mother plant, and this is the offspring, which is directly planted in soil. So there's a big difference between the two. Let's put it side by side. This is the mother plant, and this is the plant directly planted in soil. So as you can see, this is bigger, this is more compact. Look at the leaves, it's rounded, and this is elongated, this is small, and this is bigger. So there's actually a difference if you plant it directly on soil or if you plant it in pots. We have another example here. This is a mother of millions. Okay, let's go take it out. Here. So this one, as you can see, it's planted in pot, and this one, it's planted directly on soil. It's bigger than this one. This is actually the mother, and this is just propagated from this one. And look at the leaves. This is compact, and this is big, huge. And there's the difference, as you can see the difference there. Okay. Some plants the difference are so noticeable, and some plants there are not as much. So the answer to the question if there's a difference between succulents planted in soil or succulents planted in pots, yes, there is a difference. Just depends on the type of plant you planted. Thank you.